It's an awesome day, and we're so glad that you came to join us this morning at Life Fellowship Community Church. Would you do us a favor? In the chair in front of you, there are these little green Connect cards. Would you mind filling one of these cards out for us so we can have a record of your visit with us this morning? We promise we're not going to come to your door and bug you, but we would like to send you some information about Life Fellowship so you can explore our church, our ministries, and what we have to offer. If you're watching online this morning, you can go, there's a place right on the side where you can register right there online for now and any future times that you check in with us online, and we can know that you're here visiting with us as well that way. God bless, have a great day, and enjoy the rest of the service.
We're inviting all the senior saints for dinner tomorrow night right here at the church at 6:30. You're a senior saint if you're age 50 years old or your spouse is. You'll be blessed to hear Pastor John tell about how the Lord has led his life. Now, we're going to eat if you bring the food. So prepare a dish of whatever, bring it on, and we'll have a great time together. God bless.
There he is, boys! Ho! All right, Men of Life Fellowship. It's time to pack up your bags, your fishing poles, your golf clubs, your ATVs, and your spiritual antennas. We've got our annual men's retreat in Alexandria coming up March 5th, 6th, and 7th. So pack up your bags and meet us at the front door on your way out today. We'll sign you up and get you going.
The awesome thing about getting baptized at Life Fellowship Community Church is that when it's cold outside, you can actually come into a warm, heated water baptismal tank instead of being out in the cold canal with the alligators. Anyhow, we want to just let you know that water baptism is coming up February 25th, 7 p.m. If you're interested, please make sure you fill out one of those green Connect cards. And we just want to let you know in advance, we're going to be having a class for all those who are wanting to be baptized on Sunday, February 22nd at 5:30 p.m. Class is only going to be 30 to 45 minutes. Hope to see you there.
On February 8th, we are going to be having our LF 101 and D 201 classes, both held here in separate rooms at 6 p.m. LF 101 is basically the beginning of your journey where you find out more about our church, and D 201 is discovering more about what ministries might fit you best. We look forward to you connecting with us in these two different classes. If you want to sign up for them, just grab your Connect card, fill it out, and drop it in the offering plate on your way out.
Life Fellowship, beginning Monday night, February the 23rd, right here in the sanctuary at Life Fellowship, we'll be offering a Foundations of Faith class. It will be my privilege to be able to meet with you guys beginning at 6:30. Monday night, February 23rd, and I want to invite all of you, whether you are a brand new Christian or whether you've been serving God for 70 years, we want to make sure that there's no cracks in our foundation so that we can be all that God has for us. Nursery will be provided, and there will be sign-up sheets in the foyer. I want to encourage you, sign up, and let's see what God will do in our lives together.
Join Life Fellowship Sundays for Pastor Rob's new sermon series, Lift.